Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cooking this smoked sausage and rice inside my Galanz air fryer microwave. You can attempt to use this in your own air fryer. Just get you a round pan that'll fit inside your air fryer, or you can just do it inside if you have this Galanz air fryer as well. You can bake it, you can roast it, or you can use it as an air fryer. No matter what, there's no proper way how to do this as long as you're not putting the aluminum pan in the microwave and turn it on microwave. So yes, you can use your air fryer with this pan, any aluminum pan. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be the air fryer piece. So let's go ahead and start cutting our onions.
So confused, oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what?
Next, we'll cut our bell peppers. You can keep them long ways. I'm just gonna cut mine in squares. I'm not cutting them perfect, just as long as it can fit inside the pan.
Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, babe. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
Next, I will be cutting my smoked sausage up. I'm going to be cutting them and just splitting them in half and then cutting them in half as well. So I don't even know how to really explain that part, but you can see how I'm cutting it. And you can use like turkey meat, you can use like vegan meat, you can use any meat you want to. This dish is so simple and it didn't even cost no more than $10 for it. So it's a very inexpensive dish and it tastes really good. It's healthy. I don't know about the sausage, but it's still healthy. You throw in some broccoli and bell peppers and onions, that should be healthy enough, right? All right. So let's go ahead and finish cutting up our sausage.
Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. dreaming about us, babe. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep you.
I have my pan all filled up, and as soon as it starts simmering, the bell peppers and the sausage, I'll add the rice. But let's go ahead and get back to the air fryer one. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close.
1 teaspoon of garlic herb. If you don't have this garlic herb, don't worry about it. You can use something else, like probably I don't know. I don't even think you have to use this. You don't even have to use this. But if you have it, kudos to you. Go ahead and add that 1 teaspoon. Next, we're gonna add Slap Yo Mama seasoning. So I'm not gonna use a whole teaspoon. I'm just gonna use a half a teaspoon because I feel like I already got enough salt in my pan. And you know me, I try to limit as much salt as possible. So we're gonna mix everything in. Oh, and if you don't got Slap Your Mama, get you some seasoning salt or some salt and just sprinkle it. You don't need a whole teaspoon of that. Please don't put a whole teaspoon because it's gonna be salty and nasty. Now let's turn on our baker. So yeah, you guys were baking this. I be so confused with which one I want to use sometimes on this thing. So I'm gonna bake it on 375. While the food is cooking in the Galanz microwave air fryer roaster baker, we're gonna check out what it looks like on the stove as well. So you can also do this stovetop. You can do it in your own oven. You can do this any way you want to. After it is cooked, this is what it looks like. Now we need to add our broccoli. I would definitely try to use fresh broccoli for this. Sometimes that frozen broccoli will just water down your meat. It just won't taste too good. But the fresh broccoli will bring more freshness to it because you got them fresh bell peppers. So definitely add the broccoli and then the rice. Now if you don't have chicken rice, you can get like any pre-cooked rice that's already in a package, like Uncle Ben, I think it is. Uncle Ben's rice. You don't want to add raw rice because it's going to take forever to cook. And then your meat and your bell peppers are already going to be done. Next, we're going to put it back in the oven. Well, in the, you know what I mean. We're going to bake it for 400 degrees this time on 15 minutes. The reason why we're baking it higher is because now we don't want it to really cook. The rice is already done. We want it to start, you know, getting that brownish in. We want it to start turning brown. So it cooked for 15 minutes and this is what it looks like. That sauce will look good. And this is what it looks like after it is in a bowl. Very delicious. I just topped it with a little bit of the garlic and herb. Do what you want to put on top of yours. I was thinking about putting some mozzarella cheese on top. I think that would have been really, really good. So yeah, test your lemons if you want to. Add tomatoes to it. Do whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and thumbs it up. And don't forget to comment down below.
working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how